Earlier, you were mentioning about notes. You have made notes for each and everything. So, is there any big difference between the kind of notes that you make for prelims and the kind of note that you make for mains? I'm talking about your notes, study
Right,
notes.
right,
Hmm.
right. Sir, I specifically focused on making mains notes extensively, but sir, for prelims, it is not always made possible to make notes. In for
Hmm.
prelims, sir, I always say that doing multiple revisions of the standard books is good enough. Because
Hmm.
sir, tomorrow I once tried it also, sir, because this is 5 year journey, and definitely I have made a lot of mistakes. I made 300 pages notes of Lakshmikant and मैंने उसको फाड़ के फेंक दिया. I teared it down because it was waste. I
Hmm.
realized that for films, it is difficult to make notes because they're asking a lot of things and a lot of revision is required. And when I used to read my notes, I used to feel FOMO कि बहुत सारी चीजें तो छूट गई हैं. I have not still written many facts from the Lakshmikant in that 300 page note. Lakshmikant is 800 word book, and
Hmm.
I cannot 800 pages book. I
Please.
cannot write each and everything. So, sir, for prelims, I came to this conclusion that reading standard books multiple times should be the approach. But for mains, making notes is very important. For prelims, I do not suggest making notes. For mains, I suggest making notes. And for
Hmm.
current affairs perspectives are also, for
Hmm.
mains, one should make notes. But for prelims, one cannot make notes because it is too much with
Hmm.
respect to the prelims point of view.
Okay, got it, got it. Excellent.
One more thing, sir. Some
Yeah,
things, some points can be made in notes. For example, if somebody is forgetting ancient history, like ancient history, there are some very factual topics, like
right.
ancient history, medieval history. Then some points, some things can be written in one's note, like last
Hmm.
minute revision notes. But do
Hmm.
not try to make extensive notes on prelims. This is what I did because this is what worked for me.